everybody, it's Aidan here from Everyday Tech. So it turns out that the new Samsung Galaxy folding phone isn't as great as it seems. So some of the reviewer models seem to be breaking. It's already trending on Twitter and on Facebook and any social media platform. So as you can see, there's a couple of pictures that I will put up, and it seems like a couple of the phones have got creases in down the middle where it does fold. One seems to have an almost broken screen, which I think does fully break eventually. And bearing in mind that this phone isn't even released yet, it's just a phone that has been sent to reviewers to review for the general public. So a week before its launch, the phones are already breaking. This is bad news. This just reiterates the fact that you should not be buying this phone. You should not be buying folding phones or ordering them at all. You know, this is the first generation of a new product. Yeah, mobile phones aren't new, but folding mobile phones are new. So save your money. Wait a year, wait 18 months until it's been tried and tested. Now, I'm not saying that this isn't a good thing. New technology is always good. It's a step forward. Just the general public need to step back and just say, well, wait a minute. Let's just take a breather and say, well, should I buy this? Because the answer is no, you should not be buying this. You need to wait. Let other people buy it. Let the people with more money than sense buy it, break it, complain about it, until something is done and they've actually got a fully functional working phone, and not one that will break as soon as a reviewer gets their hands on it. So just wanted to run that by everybody. You know, my 2 cents on the matter. But comment below if you've ordered one, and just tell me, are you going to cancel your order or are you going to go through it? So before I forget, don't forget, like this video and subscribe to my channel, and you'll be notified anytime I do any tech news or tech reviews. I'll see you soon.